replace your K-series half-shaft bearing. First, you make sure you got all your parts and tools on hand. I was hearing a weird noise while driving and it turned out to be a worn-out bearing. Links for parts can be found in the description below. Make sure to apply grease for an easier install. I will be using an OEM bearing to replace the old one. Apply grease on the bearing for a smoother install. Now it's time to press in the bearing. Be cautious when pressing in your new bearing. They can easily be damaged if not careful enough. Now that we're done pressing in the bearing, it's time to install the inner C-clips. You can use a snap ring pliers to install the C-clips. Now it's time to press in the half shaft into the bearing assembly. Make sure you don't overpress the bearings, causing a premature bearing failure. When you feel most resistance, that could indicate that the bearing has reached its stopping point. Make sure it rotates smoothly after pressing in. Now install the outer bearing retaining clip. Lastly, you add the all seal. Rebuild completed. Thanks for watching.